Hello, my name is Ramnivas Akula, and in this video, I will be reflecting on my experience on the Ravensbourne International Food Festival project. This is a one-day charity event happening on the 18th of August 2025 at Ravensbourne University London. The event's goal is to raise funds to support the education of underprivileged children. The idea is to have 10 food stalls, each representing a different culture, run by students, staff, and local volunteers. It reflects the values of community, inclusivity, and hands on learning that are central to the university. This project was not only meaningful in its social impact, but also served as a practical applications of project management principles. I would like to share what I learned, the challenge we faced, and how the experience helped me grow both personally and professionally. Coming to the present project plan, for the project plan, we used project management tools and strategies to stay organized. We followed SMART goals, for example, achieving a net profit of £2,200, confirming 10 food stalls, and attracting at least 200 attendees. We used a Gantt chart to create a timeline of tasks and a RACI matrix to assign responsibilities to our six members team. Each person was responsible for an area such as logistics, marketing, sponsorship, finance, voluntary management, and stakeholder coordination. We also planned for technical needs like electricity, sanitation, water supply, and first aid on the event day. Communication was managed through WhatsApp, shared drives, and weekly team meetings. Then coming to the budget and finance of our plan, budgeting was a big part of our planning. We used a bottom-up budgeting approach and estimate our total cost at around £1,430. Expected income was £2,700, mostly from food sales and donations. This would leave us with a net profit of £1,270, which goes towards our charity goal. To stay within budget, we negotiated with vendors, avoided unnecessary expenses, and made use of university resources like free venue space. Then, coming to the reflect on my project, looking back, I think uh, our project structure worked well. We used a project based team approach with direct communication and quick decision making. One challenge we faced was balancing quality with limited resources. We solved this by preparing backup plans, getting support from voluntaries, and using simple but effective marketing strategies. We also created a detailed work breakdown structure to divide tasks clearly and used risk management tools to identify possible problems early, like bad weather or vendor withdrawal. By having alternatives ready and a strong promotional plan, we reduce the risk of low turnout. We measured our progress using KPI like profit, number of attendees, and feedback from stakeholders to make sure we were on the right track. Then coming to the reflect on learning, this project has taught me a lot about project management and teamwork. One of the biggest things I learned was how to work effectively under pressure, especially with a small budget and a tight timeline. I faced challenges like managing multiple tasks at once, coordinating the team, and making sure everyone stayed on the same page. To overcome these, I used planning tools like the Gantt chart and relied heavily on communication through regular meetings and updates. Another key learning point was stakeholder management. I learned how to identify who had high power and interest, like university management and vendors, and how to engage them through formal communication and support like branding and training. I also improved my decision making skills. Every choice had to be thought through, from choosing vendor to scheduling tasks, and we always had to keep our goals and budget in mind. From this module and project, I now I now understand the importance of proper scope definition, budgeting, time planning, and team coordination. I saw how theory like risk management and stakeholder engagement models can be applied in a real world situation. In the future, I believe I can use these skills in my professional life, whether I am working in events, managing team, or leading business projects. The ability to plan, communicate clearly, handle pressure, and make smart decisions will be very helpful. Overall, this project gave me the confidence to take leadership, manage resources, and deliver a project from start to finish. It wasn't just about the event itself, but about growing as a future professional. Then, coming to the conclusion, organized the Ravensbourne International Food Festival was both a learning experience and a rewarding opportunity to contribute to a social cause. We successfully combined project planning, stakeholder coordination, and real world problem solving into a meaningful event. I believe the skills I developed through this project, communication, leadership, budgeting, and teamwork will support me in a future career path. Thank you. This is my project plan. Thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires others to take on similar uh, community focused initiatives. Thank you for watching this video.